Hello everyone. Um, I'm just gonna take you through the interface as soon as you log into the web application. So the main interface is just the interaction between the AI assistants based on subject. So eventually, if you're doing mathematics, you can be helped by an AI assistant that will be concentrating on mathematics, the other one on history, art. If the subject is not included, we may add those subjects based on user feedback, but also there's the general studies. For the time being, you can add different subjects so that you can be assisted with these tasks. So let's say, for example, you want to use maybe history. You have a homework in history, or you want to study history, or you want the AI to help you to explain some other concepts. You open that up. It's just that I've already opened all the other tabs. So if it's your first time to open a chat, it will ask you the language that you want to use. So in most cases, you can use English, Shona, Ndebele, any language that you feel you want to use. But when you use languages like Shona or Ndebele, there might be limited support within that space. It won't be able to fully support everything that you want to receive as a response. So to be mindful that we need to use the primary, secondary, tertiary tab here so that it helps you to narrow your or even give you the results that are in line with your curriculum, your syllabus, your grade as well. So if you put primary, it means that you as a primary student. It will the AI assistant will recognize that I'm interacting with a primary student. So the responses will be in line with you being a primary student. Here you can change the language. You can still change maybe to Spanish if you like Spanish, which you can do that on your own. Then you can add images. You can generate an image based on the projects that you're working with the AI assistant that is helping you to complete tasks based on that subject. You can generate maybe effects of population. It can generate something along those lines, but always check the data that the AI gives you because it's experimental data, and the models that were used to actually address these things might not be applicable with your environment. But it's also good that when you're having a chat with the AI assistant, explain exactly, be as detailed as possible, give the smallest examples that you can give. Example will be maybe how you speak or how the environment is there a wall, is there, like the most smallest details that you can give the AI so that it helps you give it examples of how you want to help you, so that the AI actually helps you to complete tasks, right? Under the teachers, for the subjects, that's when you'll be having to see all teachers that are online, but specifically for the subject chat that you're having, so that if you need assistance, you can immediately have some sort of online support that you can have while it's maybe you're stuck or you still not getting the best results out of an AI. You need maybe to speak to a human to actually assist you, because in some cases the information that you receive may not be applicable or it may not be as perfect as you expect it to be. But in general, this is how you chat. All your history will be stored with the chat. You need to conversate with this AI assistant as if you're communicating to a human. So you need to include all the details so that it actually helps you to give back the results that actually achieve your goal per se. In general, this is the dashboard for your when you log in, but then some of the functions will be turned off because your role will be a student or per se a teacher. Some of the functions won't be appearing, like the admin dashboard. This won't be there because your role won't be an admin. Your role will be different, but all these other functions will still be applicable. The footer always has all the quick links to some of the things that you want to access, and also the back button is always the home button, the AI study companion at the top there. When you click it, it always takes you to your home button where you will view your chart. Teacher lessons will always be on there next to the online status info, to just show that you're online or you're offline. So if your subject is not included there, use the general studies to chat with the assistant to help you with your homework. For those parents that may struggle to maybe address or solve some simple tasks or even difficult tasks or even any kind of homework from ECD going upwards, this is the platform where you use to help your child to understand the concepts and also be able to transfer that knowledge to them, or even give them that ability for them to do it on their own as long as they are able to read, because the AI will generate the information in written text. So it will need somebody who's got that level of being able to understand how to read on their own.